Now go to your printer's display panel, click on the settings, click maintenance, scroll down and look for the ink cartridge replacement. Click on the start button, and here are the ink cartridges we are going to replace. Now lift the ink cartridge chamber door from here until you hear a lock sound. Wait for the ink cartridges to move and come into its position. Now take them one by one. So there is a lock here, so you have to simply press it, the ink cartridge from here, and you have to lift it with two hands or with two fingers. So press it like this and take it out. So it might take a little bit effort. Now take the new ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging. Remove the seal from this side and place it like this. So match the numbers and the color. Simply place in its position, and once it goes down, now press it. It will lock itself. So installation is easier than taking the ink cartridges out. Now press the ink cartridge chamber door down until it closes. Now go to the printer screen. So it may take some time, so just wait for the complete installation, and then we are ready to use this printer for printing